Hey there, future entrepreneurs. I want to take you on a quick journey, one that started in a time of uncertainty, when the world was upside down and I was searching for a way to adapt. I had no business background, barely any spare cash, but a whole lot of determination. So what did I do? I jumped into online reselling. At first, it was just an experiment, a simple idea to make ends meet. I listed everything I could find on all the popular platforms and tried to get creative on social media. Every sale felt like a little victory, but it didn't take long for reality to set in. Those platforms? They take a big cut, and after fees and shipping, I was left with scraps. That's when I had my aha moment. Why not launch my own website? It sounded overwhelming, but honestly, I was too stubborn to give up. I learned everything from scratch: web design, bulk sourcing, negotiating with local suppliers. Bit by bit, it started to pay off. Not only did I save money, but I also got to support my community by working with local businesses, giving back while building up. But I didn't want to keep all that success to myself. So I created an affiliate page where anyone could list their own products for free. No fees, no barriers, just opportunity. I invited people who couldn't afford to buy inventory or pay those platform fees to join as affiliates. And guess what? Some of them became top vendors themselves. It turned into a supportive network where everyone could win. Looking back, I'm just so grateful. I started with almost nothing, but resilience, creativity, and community made all the difference. The friendships, the financial freedom, the chance to empower others, none of it would have happened if I hadn't taken that first leap. So if you're standing at your own crossroads thinking, can I really do this? I'm here to tell you, yes, you can. Every expert was once a beginner, and your dreams are worth chasing. Let's rise together.